got your name on it.
Oh. He knew what I wanted.
What is it?
Scooter.
Is it?
Yes! Don't lost it anymore. That's the one. Oh. Daddy, can you open it?
Bring it over onto the carpet.
Oh.
We'll have to get some scissors. It's a very heavy present, is it? What is it?
It's a scooter, I told you.
What colour is it, do you think?
Pink. He knew what I want.
Is it dark pink or light pink?
Dark pink.
Is that the colour you wanted?
Grace,
Dark pink?
you open your present.
He chose what I wanted.
Open your present.
He chose it. He wanted me to have this. It's like all lit.
What's that, Grace?
Hey, Mama, look.
Oh,
Hey, Mama, look, Mama. Look. Horsey, daddy, stop. That's it, that you go baby.
You got a helmet?
Wow.
No, this is Lily's scooter.
you get your big one, Grace,
Maybe
over
you
there.
Get that big present over there.
Is
and
that
see
for
what
you?
is.
Yep.
Does it have a G for Grace on it? The big one?
I think that's a scooter.
Okay. That's G for Grace.
Thank you.
I'm going to have it. I
Open
don't
this to make it bigger for you.
That's it.
Where's your helmet?
How are you going to open this one?
Rip it open, Grace.
It's this one. What I lit that bit. This is my picture.
What's Grace got?
I got something else. Oh, I got something else.
Does Grace know what she's got?
This one, and then
Lily, I'm going to put a sticker on yours so you know whose is whose for now.
Scooter.
She just realised it's a scooter.
Did you get